pupunta po tayo ng Walter at tayo po ay may bagong mission. Oh, mission pala. Hindi ko ito inanahan, may pa-mission. Kasama ko si Sister Red, Joanna and Christina and Adel. I'm going to Walter Mart. I will excited the new phone. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Update ko na lang kayo guys pag nandun na po kami sa Walter. I will withdraw on the money. I will 7-Eleven here. I will do it, Sister Red. Maganda dito. Fresh! Okay, I will waiting. I will. This is Aryo, Sir Steve. I will buy it. Aryo. What's it, Aryo? Oh, Sir Steve, look. Aryo for you. Aryo, Sir Steve, for you. So chocolate. Later, I will buy it on Oreo for my daughter. This is my favorite of daughter. Like water roll. This is my favorite daughter. I will buy it later. And I will going to the Walter Mart and I'm so excited to the new phone.
Temporary.
Guys, update ko na lang po ulit kayo. 7-Eleven here. Update ko kayo guys. And the Walter Mart, Sir Steve. Guys, dito na tayo. Okay? I will eat Joanna again.
Hi, Sir Steve. Thank you for the blessing.
Yeah.
For Nika and everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And for the new phone.
Sir Steve, we are in the
Walter
Mart. So yan guys, naghahanap pa tayo ng cellphone para kay Kikay.
Yes.
New cellphone for Kikay. Thank you so much, Sir Steve.
Yeah.
More blessings, Sir Steve. More blessings. Yeah. Ay, perfect.
Saan yan?
Ay, Sir Steve, we are here in cellphone area, Sir Steve. Kikay search for a new good phone, good quality phone. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. I search good quality phone. Kikay searching.
Yan ang bago namin yan.
Hi.
Very expensive.
How much?
21.
Oh.
21K.
It's
It's a good quality. Yeah.
It's a 21.
She's 21. It's so very
It's-
expensive. Pero installment, mama. One valid ID lang.
She will buy cash. Oh, she will buy cash.
Ito pa, may previous pa.
Nangangambas siya. Oh! Christina is laughing. She is very enjoy. Where's Aden? Aden is sad. Sir Steve.
Steve, this is service for my phone.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Sir Steve. Do you remember? Wow! Yes. Thank you for the blessing, Sir Steve. Aden sad. Sir Steve, one of the dream of Joanna. Washing. Where so many cellphone here, Sir Steve. That's why Kikay search the best. Sir Steven. There's a lot of phones, Sir Steve. We have an Oppo, all kinds of phone. Honor, this is the new... What? Mm.
Talaga gusto niyo?
Ah, may ganyan ba, Maribik? Yan. There's a lot of TV, so very big, Sir Steven. Malaki pa sa bahay namin.
Very big! Very big!
And the price also is big. Wow, it's 39K. Ganyan na kaya natin, Shane. Ano? 39 niya? Ah? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Click.
But my phone is so
Go Kicks! Sir Steve.
Sir Steve, I want this phone because it's good quality and the good camera and vlog. And I will buy it. And
Almost 17,000.
yes, I will add Sir Steve.
And she thinks Sir Steve, she use it
It's I want this
for a long year.
my phone is
Go Kicks! That's one of her dream phone. Where when we go to Walter Master Steve,
so very expensive.
they always says that. Yeah.
900. Okay, I will buy it.
She decided. Thank you, Sir Steve.
Sir Steve, love you.
Yes.
Apo.
Tuloy-tuloy na to. Hindi ko tagakat. Oh.
Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for your always sharing blessings.
Yes.
More blessings.
Always thank
Thank you ka, Sir Steve. Ada.
Thank you, Sir Steve, for helping us guys.
Yes. Ah. We will go to unbox, Sir Steve. Mamaya, i-unbox naman yan eh. Picture na yung pagkatapos. Kaya nga. He explained, Sir Steve. He explained the phone for Kikay. So sorry, Sir Steve, for our English, ha. We are trying my best as Sir Steve. Yes. Don't cry.
Kiki is crying, Sir Steve. Don't.
I'm so happy now, Sir Steve.
Yes. Wow, Sir Steve.
Patay mo naman.
This is my favorite color.
Patay mo naman ako, Sir Steve, na nakatugtog. How do I? How do I? Without you. I want to know.
Wow. Super smooth. Super smooth. Kikay was so serious, Sir Steve. Until now, she can't get over. It's unexpected blessing, Sir Steven. How do I will background the music, Sir Steve, for you. Can't do my life without you. If I could live without you.
Then end.
Where would I be? Oh, I need you in my heart, need you to hold. In my heart, my love, my soul. If you ever need. Wow. Meow, 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 Aden always late, Sir Steven. Meow. But she wants to join Kikay, Sir Steve.
Maganda ng TV.
Ay, patulog. Maga talaga yan, mali.
Sa likod lang niya na yun. So, hindi siya mayog. May stabilizer siya. Tapos, hindi sa kanya multi-video, which is from
Para hindi na po kayo mahirapan. Parang nag-vlog na talaga. Sabay nagpa-function po yung harap na.
Stabilizer. Lahat naman ganyan yung stabilizer.
Tapos, ano ma'am, ito yung front camera.
Nakafocus lang.
That's mo lang target. Yung ano ma'am, case na...
Our driver, Sir Steve.
Driver.
Meow, 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 meow. Kita na muna. One smile for Sir Steve. One smile. One smile for Sir Steve. Tagaw ko daw. She's shy. Husband. This is my husband. Oh, my driver. para may driver, may lover. Yan. Parang may husband lover. 17,349. Sir Steve Kikay will pay it. It's 17,000 pesos, Sir Steve. It's 16,999. Keep the change. 1 peso.
Wala nang pamasahe, pakat ko na. Ma'am, charging po.
Ma'am, ito po yung... Hindi ko na ibabox ma'am.
Nausok pa kayo, nausok.
Aba. Ay, sipot naman. It's a remembrance.
1, 2, 3. Heart.
Wow, thank you, Sir Steve, for the new phone.
Para manwari.
Sir Steve is our friend.
Ako may pagdala.
I'm so excited.
Sir Steve, Kikay treat us to lunch, Sir Steve.
Yes.
In Mang Inasal.
I will order.
So sweet. Always, Sir Steve.
Wow, tara. I'm here in the Inasal Steve with Auntie Adam, Sister Red, and Joanne and Christine. I will done to buy it on her. It's a good quality, Sir Steve. I will eat in Inasal. I'm so very hungry. I'm so hungry. Okay. Hintay lang tayo guys ng ano, ng ilang minutes. Natin. Thank you always, Sir Steven. Thank you so much for always helping me. Okay, guys, mag-uwit lang tayo. Gutom na. I'm so hungry na. Lunchtime is what time is now? I will wait and order chicken. Yes. I'm so excited unboxing. My head, I will wait and order chicken. Yes. I'm so excited. That's Barbecue. I like barbecue. Ah, masusuka. Masusuka. Okay guys, kain lang po kami. Update na lang po kayo mamaya. Bye-bye. That's it guys.
Dali, dito na. Nakain na kami. Dali. Sige kayo sa...
That is. Okay guys, let's eat barbecue.
Ha?
Okay guys.
Ano? Ano? Sabi mo ba? Toyo.
Ito yung ano, yung...
Toyo, ba toyo?
Guys, update ko na lang po
Chop.
kayo.
Ay, ano yung...
I'm done, sir, still. I'm done. Naubos ko, guys. Gutom na gutom ako. Sarap. Masarap ng barbecue nila. Tapos suka, tapos barbecue. Oh, ba. Tapos na ako. Yan, nakain pa sila. Ako tapos na. In-order ko kasi barbecue. Sila chicken sila. Okay. Sir Steve.
Hi, Sir Steve. Thank you so much po. Sir Steve and Kekay.
Yes. Busog na. Busog na po. Guys,
Simot.
simot, pati buto, ubos. Ending.
Sino?
Yeah.
Linok lang po din sa link.
Pauwi na tayo guys. Then, na-update ko na lang po kayo kapag kami ay nasa bahay na. Kaya, unboxing ko na lang ulit to. Para dalawang unboxing. Unboxing ko na lang to sa bahay. Update ko na lang kayo guys pag kami ay nasa bahay. Thank you so much, Sir Steven, for always sharing your blessing to me, to us, to them, and for everything. Thank you very much. So, very big help for me, Sir Steve. Thank you. Guys, update ko kayo. Love you always, Sir Steve. Tayo, maglalakad muna tayo. Nagpapamili Antipam ng siomay.
We are done to eat. Sir
Yeah.
Steven. Thank you so
And
much,
Tipam,
kids. And Tipam wants to take out Shamay.
siomay.
The famous
And
Shamay here.
milk tea and Eliza is take out on shawarma. I will waiting to sagu. Sagu. Antipam. She wants sagu.
You want sago?
Yes. Siomay. Yeah, craving is the craving Antipam is satisfied. I will wait the sagu. Yeah, this is one the Antipam. And yeah.
For the bigatan, Sir Steve.
Tipam. Yeah, I'm going home now. Okay, pauwi na tayo guys. Nakabili na tayo ng ating pang-take up sa kanila. Update ko na lang kayo guys. I'm my home, Sir Steven. Thank you so much for a new phone. Oh, is the good quality. It's so very cute. So very beautiful. I like this. I'm so happy now because my dream come true. Oh, dream come true ah. Say the good, wow. Ganda niya guys. So, maraming pong salamat sa Sir Steven. So, ngayon po ay guys ay hindi na po papatay-patay yung cellphone ko sa pagla-live kasi po itong yung pang-vlog ko pong to. Ito po yung ginagamit ko sa pagla-live kasi po lagi po siyang patay buhay. Tapos na-surprise po ako ng Sir Steven na bumili po ako ng bagong cellphone. Binigyan niya po ako ng 15. Tapos binili ko po to yung owner para po maganda talaga siyang pang-vlog. Tsaka para po ay maano na din po yung ating pagla-live. Para din po okay na din po yung ating pagla-live. So maraming salamat Sir Steve for always sharing your blessing to me. For the helping me. Oh. I'm so cry but now it's okay. But I'm so happy now. Because my phone. Because my phone is the good quality. It's very beautiful. like this, Sir Steven. I will live. I will testing on my live. So, the camera is the good quality. Like that, Sir Steve. Wait. Ito siya guys. Oh, ang ganda niya. So, full screen siya. Then, purple po siya. Ang kulay niya ng purple. Kasi minsan po, ito po gusto ko sanang bilhin. Kasi nga po, ito po talaga gusto kong bilhin. Kaso nga lang po, sobrang mahal po kasi nito. 17,000 po talaga siya. Ito po siya. This is my favorite color, purple. And this one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, AC, for giving me for the guys, ito na siya. May free siyang case. Hindi nga siya masyadong ano sa previous. Ang previous lang po niya is case, tapos charger lang po. Yun lang po ang free niya. Charger at saka case lang po. So, si Steve, maraming salamat po sa lahat sa Steve. Sa pagtulong niyo sa akin. Ayan. Sarap na ng ulo ko. I'm so happy now. Then, yan. Sir Steve, thank you always for for everything, Sir Steven. And, I love you always. And don't forget to take your medicine. Always safe drive. Do you remember? I'm so happy now. Okay guys, ito ko na po muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. Salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood dyan. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta po dyan. Shoutout po dyan sa Kuya Jimbo, sa Sino ko, Tropa, love you. TG, Tito Fred, Kuya Pogi, shoutout po diyan. Guys, ito ko na po muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. Bye!